Hmm. What happened? Both are fighting for what? Hey, monkey. Oi. Yes, Tarun. Play. 25. So we will substitute this part. Minus of minus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. So minus into minus will become plus. So here it will be 1 by 2.5 plus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. Now this decimal you will cut, 10 will come up. So here base is same, 10 by 25 plus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. So it will come 11 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. Done. So here focal length is centimeter inverse. Okay. So now what work we are going to do? Focal length is inverse of centimeter here. So because 1 by f is there now. So here 1 by f, so only centimeter inverse. So for solving only we are not changing it. Power of accommodation is 1 by f. Okay. So it is coming as 11 by 25 because 1 by f is 11 by power is equal to 1 by 25 into 100. And after solving how much diopter I am getting? 1 by meter. Now unit is what beta? 1 by meter. And 1 by meter unit is diopter. 1 by meter unit is diopter. So here because centimeter inverse part is there now. So it will go up, it will become centimeter. So once it will become centimeter, focal length is centimeter inverse. So that means 1 by centimeter. So 1 by meter will come. So 1 by meter is coming as diopter. So 1 by m is equal to diopter. 1 by meter is equal to diopter. 1 by meter is equal to diopter. So overall power of accommodation in that case is coming as 44 diopter. Now please remember one thing. Many time in exam they will tell you to find the value. What is the unit of power of accommodation? Diopter. What is the unit of dioptre? Diopter. Understood or not? Diopter. Power of accommodation is diopter. Understood? So let's go back to the work diopter. So now let's go back to the work here is we will check diopter part also. Power of accommodation we are going to study. Now with a far off point. When you will equal to this, V is what? V is again 25. V is 25. The nearby object is still 25. So here 1 by 25. V because the distance, sorry, 2.5. The distance between the retina and the lens distance remains the same. And this distance is 1 by 2.5 minus of minus infinity equal to 1 by f. Minus will become plus. So 2.5 is 10 by 25 plus is equal to 1 by f. 1 by infinity is 0. So 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. And this is again beta 1 by f is 10 by 25 centimeter inverse. What it is? Centimeter inverse. The moment you will multiply 100 by meter. So it is coming as how much beta? 1000 by 25. So it is coming total as 40 diopter. How much it will come? 40 diopter. How much it will come beta? 40 diopter. So far off 40 diopter. Nearby 44 diopter. So what is the power of accommodation? When you need to see the far point, 40 diopter. When you need to see the near point, 44 diopter. Please kindly note down. I've solved this. So if in the examination they will ask this question, I want you to be the first one to answer this question. Come on, go for it, beta. Note down. So what is the near point, beta? How much it is coming? 40. Far off is 40 diopter. Nearby is exactly 44 diopter. Power of accommodation for nearby is 44 diopter and far off is 40 diopter. This you must remember. Far off 40 diopter, absolutely correct beta, and nearby is 40 diopter, and nearby is 40 diopter. That's correct only. Nearby point is 40 diopter, absolutely correct. Hmm. Nearby 44 diopter, sorry, nearby 44 diopter, far off is 40 diopter. Hmm. Absolutely correct, absolutely. Hira, good morning beta. Good morning Hira. I hope everybody understood this one, na beta? Understood nicely. So we are going to go for the next part. How was the class today? Did you learn nicely, beta? So advantage of having two eye in human. This is one of the most important thing. Children, please understand this. There is an advantage of having two eye. One eye and two eye. What is the difference between? You will say, Auntie, with one eye also I am seeing, with two eye also I am seeing. Is it any difference? No. One eye and two eye both are exactly very beneficial for you. So what is that? A single human eye has a horizontal field of view of 150 degree. How much? 150 degree. Horizontal view of how much degree, beta? Difference is there, difference is there. Anu, difference is there. Now check this one out, Anu. What is the difference here, beta? I am explaining this part. So please check this. So single eye has a horizontal field of view of how much degree? 150 degree. And however, with eye separated few centimeter, the horizontal field increased to 180 degree. You can see from this corner to this corner. Single, you will be exactly able to see only how much degree? 150 degree. From here to here, 150. But from both eyes, how much you are seeing? Because this is turning this side more. So it will exactly go from 180. Total, it will come how much better? 180 degree. Understood? Wider view of vision, absolutely correct, Asmita. It will be considered as what? Wider view of vision. So wider view of vision is coming. Total how much degree is coming? 180 degree. Total how much degree is coming, beta? 180 degree. Okay, very good. So furthermore, the ability to detect faint object is enhanced with two eyes. Correct, na? So if ever faint object is there, its ability to detect the object from both eyes are increasing. So degree is exactly changing, na? Degree is exactly changing. Now look here, the two eyes separated by few centimeter in the front portion of head no doubt limits the field. How much degree, beta? 180. However, this positioning increase our ability to judge the depth phenomenon called stereopsis. Note down, depth content is increased, and this is exactly called as stereopsis. What it is called as, beta? Stereopsis. Absolutely correct, Hira. It is called as what, beta? Stereopsis. What is the meaning of stereopsis, beta? The ability to judge. The ability to judge. So depth means what? Ability to judge the depth. Ability to judge the depth. Because beta, if only one single eye will be there, it will not be having that sophistication. You will not be able to judge the depth. You will not be able to have a clear ability to watch. Also 180 degree you will not be able to have vision. Understood? 180 degree you will not have vision. But now how much degree vision you are having? 180 degree. By the presence of how many eyes? Two eyes. And why the two eyes are separated few centimeters? Because it will enhance the power of sharpness to see the object. Understood or not? So few centimeter away is exactly good, not bad. Near will not be good. Okay, so ability is exactly enhancing. And you know what, beta? This word is called as what? Stereopsis. What word is there? Stereopsis. This word is exactly called as what, beta? Stereopsis. What it is? Stereopsis. Okay, so this is ability to judge the depth of phenomena. This phenomenon is called as what, beta? Stereopsis. Done? Noted? Yes, Hira, absolutely correct, beta. It is called as what? Stereopsis. Done? Deal? Shall we go forward, beta? Hmm. Yes. Oh. So time up. We were studying and we did not check. Okay. Now, beta, I'm just ending it the class here. Day after tomorrow again class will be there. Tomorrow also class will be there. Extra class I'm planning to keep for revision of chapters. Okay.